September 26th. Just potting up some seedlings this evening. I oftentimes find myself looking at my palms and wondering what they look like a year or two ago, or where they came from, or what the process was. So I like to document stuff. I got a bunch of seedlings from Palmpeii. He sells on Etsy and eBay. I'm not sure if it's a he or a couple, or anyway, I've purchased from them a few times. These are, I've got, let's see, 11. I ordered 10. He sent me 11 Butia, and they were sold as capitata, but I don't know what species they are. I think there's a lot of misinformation about Butia species, and even the experts can't agree half the time. Green form Serenoa repens. I don't think he had Serenoas last year. He's got a lot in his inventory this year. And then also over here we have got Sabal mexicana. I've messaged him a few times. These are really pretty. They're not quite as blue as a lot of Sabal. All the Sabal seedlings that I have are very blue. These have a kind of a blue yellow. They're really pretty. Anyway, I've messaged Palmpeii a few times, and he's not on the Palm Talk forum. I encouraged him to join. I don't think he ever did. I asked him if I could get pictures of some of the mother plants these things came from, and I thought that he harvested. He's in Hampstead, North Carolina, which is on the coast, so I'm guessing it's probably a nice 8B, and I thought that he harvested these seeds locally, but he said he gets these seeds from all over the country, and I don't know where he gets them from, but he has really good germination, because he sells these things by the hundreds. And anyway, so like I said, I've purchased a few times. I have had good results with all the stuff that he sent me. Some of his Butias that I bought last year or 2 years ago are getting pretty big. They're 1 gallon size now. Also, I wanted to document how I pot stuff up, because here's a bunch of Trachycarpus. I've got Chamaedorea radicalis over there. There's a bunch of random odds and ends in there as well. This is the cheapest and most convenient way that I know of. I take these disposable cups and I go over to the metal chop saw and I buzz 4, 5, 6, however many slots in the bottom for drainage. They're super cheap, they're super accessible, very disposable. I like the clear because I can see exactly how dry the soil is. I can see how big the roots are, and if they're getting crazy and poking out the bottom, I like to be able to see that. And if they are coming out the bottom, it's nice to see the roots whenever you're cutting the cup off, so that you don't damage the roots. So that's just how I like to do it. However you do it is great. Here is more Trachycarpus fortunei. Those are all in 16-ounce cups. I'm trying some smaller cups. These are 9-ounce cups. They take up less space, and these are first-year seedlings, so the root structures are small and they all fit in there just fine, except for the Sabal mexicana. These have bigger roots than the Butia or the Serenoa, so I'm going to have to put these in the 16-ounce cups, because I don't want to smash those down into a 9-ounce cup. So anyway, that's all for this evening. Have a beautiful palmy evening and dream about palms tonight.